मडगाव VVMS गोविंद कारे कॉलेज ऑफ लॉन दक्षिण जिल्हा पोलिसांच्या जोडपालवान जनसुनवाई घडून आणली. रस्त्यांची सुरक्षा, कायदो पाळप, अपघात आडोवप आणि समाजाक शिक्षण दिवप अशा तासांचेर भासाभास जाली. बायलां संघटना आणि भुरग्यांच्या हक्काचेरय जागृताय घडली.
So I take this moment to place on record my welcome to Madam Sunita Sawant, Superintendent of Police South, Mr. Nilesh Rane, Deputy DYSP, SDPO Kepe, our very own Ms. Sudiksha Naik, Lady PI of the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, and our very own Assistant Professor Ms. Ruby Lewis. They would be speaking on various issues concerning educating community through these public dialogue series that we have commenced under the Jan Sunwai.
Who is on the seat, no? It might be a blow for her, a shock for her. So why I'm saying this is what has happened to me. As a law enforcing agencies, we need to be aware of the latest technologies as well as latest provisions in the law for tackling this. Now, we always say prevention is better than cure. In the policing, we speak about crime prevention and crime detection. As I was just talking with ma'am, we did say crime, when it comes to crime prevention, it's just not the domain of the policing. It's a domain of the public too, the population. It starts there. Prevention is better than cure. So crime prevention is first. I would say, and I am of the opinion that 80% participation from the public will prevent 100% of the crimes. So we need to sensitize and we need to reach down to the public to make them aware. I would little go for 2 minutes in this. We all have got the habit of every day going and clicking the photographs. Our mobiles are with Google locations. Your all data, whatever you are doing, is getting sent with Google search engine. You don't know who is taking your information, and looking at the crimes that are being reported, we can safely say that this data is getting compromised. So we should have first of all a stringent check on our activities. If it is really needed, go ahead with the activities. Otherwise, say that
Look at the age of people killed in this. This is what we have found out, the age group. So the youth is getting killed. Just look at this, 18 to 45. Our Prime Minister always boasts that India is a young country. Because our population, we have the maximum youth, we have the maximum workforce. And he invites all countries to come and invest in India. Okay, but then if we are going to die on road, the entire mission and entire ambition of our Prime Minister is not going to sustain. So here our goal is that we have to reduce the road accidents and we have to see that this youth unnecessarily doesn't die on roads.
आयज पळय आमची एक टॉक जाल्ली आसा ती एक जन सुनवाई म्हण जाल्ली आसा एंड द टॉपिक दॅट वॉज टेकन टुडे वॉज ऑन रोड सेफ्टी. ही पळय आसा दॅट इज अ कम्युनिटी अवेरनेस. आमी पळय लोकांक सगळे अवेर करूंक सोदता, चड करून आमच्या भुरग्यांक, कित्याक हिंगा आतां भुरग्यांचे डेथ पळय जाता ऑन द रोड. इट इज ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ नेग्लिजन्स अँड टू स्पीक अबाउट इट वी हॅड विथ अस द SP ऑफ साऊथ, दॅट इज मिस सुनीता सावंत. तांणी आमकां सांगलां की कशी डेथ जाता आनी कशें प्रिवेंट करूंक जाय पळय तें. सो दीस इज एन इनिशिएटीव ऑफ द लीगल एड सोसायटी ऑफ द कारे कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ इन असोसिएशन विथ साऊथ पुलीस डिस्ट्रिक्ट. हे आमी घडून हाडलेलें आसा. ही आतां आमची डिस्कशन फोरम जाल्ली आसा वीच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द लीगल एड एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द कॉलेज आनी ही दॅट वील बी टेकन अप ऑन एन एवरी रेग्युलर बेसीस. सो ही आमी पब्लीक डायलॉग सिरीज म्हण आसा आनी वेरियस स्टेक होल्डर्स ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. हे फावटी आमकां पुलीस आसा. लास्ट टायम इट वॉज द NGOs ऑफ द वेगस आसली ऑल्सो द स्पीकर. मागीर हे आमी सगळे कम्युनिटी सर्वीस म्हण घडोवन हाडलेले आसा अंडर द बॅनर ऑफ जन सुनवाई. सो दीस वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ दीस पर्टिक्युलर प्रोग्राम.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तोयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आनी संगीता ओली.